What a great looking car. This 2026 Peugeot 308SW GT Premium has just arrived in stock. Powered by the 145 horsepower hybrid engine, married with an automatic gearbox. This car looks absolutely stunning in Elixir red. It also comes with the factory Sensation pack, which includes the panoramic opening sunroof and also the upgraded focal hi-fi system. This really is a stunning looking car and great car to drive. The black details on the grille, the alloys and the roof bars, mirrors, etc. make this car look sensational. Built to accommodate a family or lots and lots of adventures, this car is great value for money. Contact us now for the latest offer and including finance offers we have now on this car.